How to get shout out happy birthday story on Instagram. First of all, launch the Instagram application in your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you're on your home page, tap on add story icon at the top left corner. Then tap on camera option. Once you're here, tap on create option. And once you get into this page, now if you want to change the color, you have to tap on this color icon at the bottom right. And with that, the color is now changed. Now in order to create or get the shout out happy birthday, what you have to do is you have to choose the second button on this interface right here. Now it will create a shout out happy birthday. As you can see on this interface, it is written happy birthday, and under that you have to mention your friend. So there you have to type in the username of your friend's account. And there you can see now the birthday story has been created. Now if you want to enhance it more, you can add different stickers or music to your post. Tap on the sticker icon and here you can choose different stickers, and then you can also add music to your post as well. Search for birthday songs and then add it to your story. Once done, you can simply tap on post and the shout out birthday story will be posted in your story. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.